Cordite is in SMG class of COD mobile. Cordite has high damage, fast fire rate, and great accuracy with high mobility. The gun has low recoil, and can use for long range. Overall, Cordite is a high versatile gun to use. Cordite is the newest gun in COD Mobile Season 6. Cordite loadout. The best attachment for Cordite. Here is a recommendation on building the best attachment for Cordite: SMG, barrel, OWC marksman, laser, OWC laser, tactical, stock, YKM combat stock, rear grip, stippled grip tape, ammunition, 56 round extended mag. This Cordite attachment class setup improve the accuracy, range, and recoil controls, but it reduce the mobility.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Is it